Okay, let's start a new chapter, which is gender. In English, you have three genders: he, she, and it. But in Arabic, you have only two genders. It can either be he or she. There is no it. Okay? And in Arabic, basically every ism, whether it's a person or not, can have a gender. For example, chair, table, book, sun, moon, heaven, hell. All these things, they have a gender grammatically. And in Arabic, every ism by default is masculine, unless you can prove that it is feminine. And if it shows the signs of feminine, then it's feminine. Otherwise, by default, it's masculine. We can categorize gender in 5 parts. The feminine gender, we can categorize them in 5 parts. Biological feminine, for example, mother, sister. Then you have some words that are showing feminine ending. We will study them later. Then you have places, they are considered feminine. Body parts that are in pairs, for example, hands, you have 2 hands. Eyes, you have 2 eyes. Legs, you have 2 legs. Just like that, you have many body parts that are in pairs. They are considered feminine. Non-human broken plurals are also considered feminine. We have studied about non-human broken plurals, and we know that they are considered feminine. And the last category is feminine because the Arabs said so. There is no explanation here, just because the Arabs decided to call it a feminine, so they are considered feminine. Okay, as simple as that. Let's see some examples of biological feminine. Ummun means mother. Bintun means daughter. Imra'atun means woman or wife. Ukhtun means sister. Hurun means maiden or paradise. These words are biologically feminine. Memorize these vocabularies. Now, let's imagine a situation. We know that the name Abdullah is used only for boy names, right? So when we are talking about Abdullah, we know that we will use masculine grammar in that sentence. But what if you have a friend whose name is Abdullah and she is actually a lady? What if her parents decided to call her Abdullah? Just an exceptional case, okay? So what if that is the case? Then when you are talking about her, although her name is Abdullah, which is a boy name, but since you are talking about a lady, you have to use feminine grammar. So that is exceptional case. Then you have Maryam, for example. When Allah talks about Maryam, we know that Maryam is a feminine name, and we know that she is mother of Isa alayhi salam. So by default, we know that Allah is talking about a lady, a feminine. So that's why grammatically, when Allah is talking about Maryam, the feminine grammar is used.